So Prashna is very simplified version. Prashna always reduce everything to one point. This question. That is the most important task of any Prashna. Always put your 101% of energy just to identify which planet is leading the question. And always remember in Prashna, one planet will always lead the question. It is not like 10 planets. It is aspecting, that is creating aspect, that is Badhak, that is Marak. Now you're confused. That one planet you need to identify, that is your whole soul work in the Prashna. And if you're able to reach to the level of one planet or maximum two planets, then it is easy to give you those descriptions. Correct? You can't mix 2-3 planets and now you tell me how you can predict. That is not possible with the Prashna. Prashna is very simplified version. Okay, so you need to train yourself in such a manner that you need to reduce everything into 1 or 2 planets. That's it. So that's why this shloka is important. I hope everybody understanding the importance of this shloka. And this shloka is not only given in this book. In every classical book, you will find this shloka. In BPHS also, they are giving you the descriptions. In Finalizing also, you will find this knowledge. But you don't know how to use it. Let me show you example. Okay, one chart, example with chart. Shloka number 23, what we have learned till now, we have seen Moon, Venus are water goers, Jalchari. Mercury, Jupiter are town or settlement goers, wherever things are settled. That is also Mercury and Jupiter. Office, market, schools, theater, populated rooms. And then Rahu, Mars, Saturn, Sun. Okay, they are forest. Okay, or rough, the places. Okay, which are underdeveloped, under construction. Workshop, factory, mines, hills, stone, iron, godown and stores also, and under construction. Okay, so use this planet as a location, what we call it, location filter. It tells you the environment where the matter sits or moves. Okay, now this is a Prashna chart. Question is, where are my property papers right now? Or the file. Paper means I'm talking about the file. In one file, he kept the property papers, now he is not able to find. Okay, so he is searching those important papers. Now, this is a very common question. Okay, you will find this kind of question in your day-to-day life. Okay, people will ask you. So you can use this shloka. What is the Lagna? Leo Lagna. Overall lord for this particular moment is, you can check. Let me mark it.
Saturn.
That is Saturn. Okay. Lagna is Leo. Okay, so these are the basic details. Now you can see Moon is in Aquarius. Mercury documents to represent documents, correct? Mercury is in Aries with Sun and Rahu in Aries. All are in 9. Venus in Taurus. Now we have to first fix the main significator of the question. For papers and documents, we know that is Mercury. That is a natural significance. So Shloka number 23 says Mercury is Gramachari, that is a town or settlement places. So this means the file is not in the rough corners, wild corners, okay, not in the watery places. So it is in the populated area, or settled area, worked area, like office room, study room, admin or legal desk, account section, library shelf, principal, HR, manager, cabin, etc. So now you have to refine this by using the sign and houses. Okay, you have to refine this further because this only information is not enough. You have to further refine it. See the sign where Mercury is located. Mercury is located in which sign? That is Aries. Aries means fire plus east direction.
East direction, yes.
Also, Aries is something tools, heat or electrics, or the things who have red labels, red color labeled items. Aries is also quick action. Okay, so you can tell them near printer or scanner or photocopier, okay, power board, okay, something like this, red marker, red folder, red colored, okay, notice board or something like this. This is just a general understanding. See the house. You have to see the house from the Lagna for now. Okay, we are not using the Aruda Lagna and all. Just simple Lagna. Mercury is in 9th house. 9th house is what? Ninth house is signification wise I'm talking about. Ninth house is legal, permission, uh, higher office, principal, guru, father. Ninth house is also top shelf, upper area. Okay, library or knowledge cupboard. A room that actually faces the east. Any room that faces the east is ninth in this particular chart. Okay, so now you have to make the picture a little bit clear and sharper, okay, by using these details. Sun with Mercury, same sign. So you know Sun is a forest goer, correct, as per the shloka, but Sun also rules authority, government, top desk, bright light. We know Mercury is our main planet, so obviously I will not assign forest goers in this context. I will keep it with the Mercury only. Sun with Mercury shows top drawers, okay, under bright light. Bright light means what? Under tube light or under some light area. Okay, something like this. Maybe near national emblem. Okay, maybe near award where you keep awards. Okay, so like this, no, you will see many combinations, many permutations and combinations of significations you can use. Okay, you have to narrow down it using the sign and planets. Rahu with Mercury mix up, it means that is a misplacement within the office zone. File may be in the wrong rack. See, Rahu is giving you information. It means where you keep those things. Okay, in normal days you are not kept that there. It means you are keeping those files in the wrong rack, or maybe inside another subject folder, or maybe you have used the wrong label. Okay, label may be confusing. How we decoding these things? Because of the Rahu. Hora Lord is what? Saturn. Okay, so Hora Lord is Saturn. So Saturn is showing storage, old record. It may be a record room, iron rack, okay, dusty shelf, go down. As I told you, these are Aranya chart. It means the corner inside the same premises. Okay, direction we have understood, that is east direction, and the ninth house gives you upper and the higher shelf. Ninth house means upper, high shelf. So it means east side of the office, upper compartment or top shelf. So after seeing all these information, how you conclude it? So your papers are inside the office zone, not in the home, not outside, correct? That is in the office zone only. Check the east side of the room or authority or boss cabin, the east side. Look on the top metal shelf or upper cupboard. Check near printer or any power board object. The file may be misfiled under different label or you kept inside another folder with red mark. You give these details. That's it. Your job is done. Now your client will remember these details and he will look at file with these details. Now you will find those things. Are you understanding it? So right now, how I'm concluding the ninth house and all these things, okay, is a different part. But basically, I think everybody is understanding why we are taking Mercury, why Hora Lord is important. The steps I already given you. Okay, and the planet was sitting with the Mercury, the Karka planet, they are also adding something information. So you have to mix all information. Don't leave anything.
Namaskar, sir.
Namaskar.
So here, Rahu, presence of Rahu will not consider that.
No. I already given you the information about the Rahu. Rahu is telling us you misplaced it. It means
Okay.
the file is not kept where you usually put it. Correct?
Okay.
You have put it somewhere else. That is Rahu misplacement. Maybe you place those paper in different folder.
Okay.
Are
Generally, whenever
understanding
we
it? That
are
Rahu is giving
considering
that
the
misplacement.
so whenever we are considering the chart, the first thing we need to do is see the lagna if it is aspected by malefics. So whether the chances of getting the lost thing are there or not. So we conclude from that.
Obviously. Okay, so obviously
So in this case, the Saturn is also aspected, Rahu is also aspected. So are the chances there to find the thing, or it
no,
will be
it's not.
less?
It's not like malefic planets are aspecting them that event is not going to fulfill. No. Okay, so in the same chapter, in upcoming shlokas, we will read that part. We have a specific yoga for it. Okay, when Lagna Lord is connected to the significator planet or the Karka planet, event is going to fulfill.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay, so like this, we have 2-3 yogas only. Only you need to master 2-3 yogas. If you find those yogas, event is going to happen. If not, no event. It's simple.
Okay.
There is another
Okay, sir.
thing which I was considering other than also because it
Hmm.
was about property documents. So that's the fourth house. You're in Scorpio.
Hmm.
The Lord is sitting in the 11th house, which is Gemini. So that's connect back to Mercury. And because it's 11th house, and so that means the property documents will be found.
Obviously,
Yeah.
the question when we originally decoded this chart, na, so I have every information like
Right,
how I
right.
decoded it,
Yeah.
okay, whether it is recoverable or not. This is the
Is it
first assessment.
recoverable or not? Yeah, so that's
Okay.
the second point why I
Hmm.
said the recovery. This because the first was because if we look at the Lagna degree, the Kakshya is Sun.
Hmm.
And Sun is with the documents itself. So the recovery chance is there also.
Yes. So thing
Is
is, see,
the
obviously in
well
today's
lit.
session, I'm discussing only context of chapter shloka number 23. In upcoming shlokas, now we will see, we'll go step by step. Correct. The first we will see whether it is recoverable or not. Then we reach to Mercury. So all this calculation is leading to Mercury only. That's why I'm directly picking the Mercury. So I hope everybody understanding the importance of this shloka.
So,
Okay, so now when you read BPHs or Faldipika, you will see these planets and these information. Moon and Venus are aquatic, and you don't know how to use it. Don't worry. Now you know. And this is not only about the Prashna. You can use it in birth chart also. Because someday we will also learn that. As I told you, in the same book, in the second section, but in first section only. Yeah, in first section only we have combinations. Okay, there are 2-3 combinations. So with those 2-3 combinations only, you can identify whether that event is going to happen or not. If it is happening, then we move for the further investigation. Correct? Like in this chart, whether I can recover my lost document or not. This is the first thing he asked. So I checked that thing. Okay. So we have simple rule for that. I will teach that part. Okay. And then we come to conclusion Mercury is the important planet in this chart. So that's why I'm discussing Mercury. So I'm explaining only 23 number shloka. So I'm using this context. So don't worry what you are asking, you're going to learn it in next 2-3 classes.
So, one more question. So, why we consider Mercury as an important planet since it's located with Lagna Lord?
No. It is not liquid luck. Yeah, it is the one of the factor. It is located with the Lagna Lord. It is also the Karka planet. This is also there. And there are one more thing which Ruchiji pointed out. Na? Scorpio side, fourth house Lord is sitting in Gemini. So you will see everything is pointing towards the one planet, that is Mercury.
Okay.
Okay, so like this, again, we have a systematic rule for it. Okay, so if you are much curious that how we are doing it and you can't wait for next 2-3 classes, so you can do one thing, just flip 2-3 more pages of the same book. Okay, you will see those 3-4 yogas. Okay, so this is shloka number 23.
Sorry. Since we have considered documents here, we have considered Mercury as the Karaka of document. Let's say somebody asks that I have lost my gold chain. So in that case, we'll consider Jupiter for that.
See, yes, obviously Jupiter, okay, but as I given you the 4 pointers in the beginning, correct? First is Lagna Lord, Hora Lord, Significator, and the House Lord. There are 4 things. Okay, out of these 4 planets, any planet can become the prime planet.
So house lord
That
which
is
will
not
be
fixed.
considered. Now we are the Lagna we are considering, Hora we are considering. Now house lord
Yes.
is for what, sir?
House Lord, like the if question is connected to any specific house, correct? That house. Like for example, if it is house, correct, whether I can buy a house or not, it is connected to the 4th house. 4th house and
No,
4th Lord
somebody says
become
I have lost
important.
my gold chain. So in that case, now it's the ornament. So
Ornament is the 2nd house.
yeah, okay.
The
And the
second house.
Karak planet will consider Jupiter.
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So
sir.
like this we need to. So now once you identify these planets, 4 planets. So always remember, again I am saying, your main duty is to reduce those 4 planets into one. It means out of those 4 planets, one planet will dominate the Prashna. Okay, whichever planet is strongest and whichever planet is connecting in more places, whichever planet is repeating again and again in every context. So that planet will dominate. That planet will guide you where to look, where to go. Correct? We will learn this in the same book. Na, author is teaching us that part. How to identify the main planet out of these 4. Santoshi.
Yeah, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I understood why you took Mercury, but from your given rules, Saturn is also, we can also consider Saturn because it's horror lord, it's aspecting Lagna lord, Karaka, and Lagna, and fourth house. So why you choose Mercury? Why you gave?
No. Saturn is again aspecting Mercury only, no?
Yeah,
As I'm saying you, when you see the whole analysis, no, so every planet is pointing toward Mercury.
okay.
First thing. Okay, Saturn part I already used, like the iron rack. I'm saying no, go and search in the iron rack in your office, boss room. See the each direction. In each direction, you'll find the iron rack or cupboard, something like this. That is the Saturn. And there, in upper portion, you will find the file. Upper portion, why upper portion? That is ninth house. Okay, so in upper portion, you'll find that part. We have used it.
Thank you, sir.